What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a gas stove top cover. Now, as y'all know, I just got this gas stove. We just installed it and it's already dirty. So with that being said, we have this cover right here in which they said is non-stickable. They actually have like a list, like a model list, a Samsung model list that this fits on, but I actually bought this before I bought the stove and I forgot to put it on the stove. So now we're here. And of course I will clean this stove off before I put this on, but I just want to check this out first. Let's go ahead and do our unbagging, unboxing and unbagging. And it looks like, oh, it's already cut out for us. Oh, we got two mats here. So we have a extra mat here. All right, so that's an extra mat. And then they have a mat that's already cut out. And it looks like it's gonna fit. All right, so let me go ahead, take everything off, put that mat on. I will check to see what that extra mat is for, and then we will finalize. All right, you guys, so y'all see the liner is coming out a little bit more on this side. So this side they have a little bit more open. Maybe it's depending on the size. Maybe I bought for the wrong model, but as far as it goes right now, it's a nice fit. And it should protect it from, you know, all the grease spills and all the cooking and stuff. But right now, it's really good. And I can't flip it around because the small hole cut is on this side and it will not fit over this side. So as you can see, there you go. I will put my model of Samsung that I have here, and then I will put like the comparison of the models that it says it's compatible for. And it's blurry. There we go. So yeah, that's about it. I will use it until we get tired of it or we find something new. And this liner right here, I will figure it out. Maybe it's for the bottom of the oven. Okay. I also did get another thing for the bottom of the oven. So I didn't know that it was two liners that come with this thing. So yeah, that will be it. And I will go ahead and light it up for y'all real quick so y'all can see up close. And there you go. It's not close to the fire. All right. Everything is still working well. As y'all can see, it's not close to the fire. So the liner is pretty good. I think it just needs time for it to actually like fold down. But the material on here is like, you know, it's not really like rubber or anything. So it might take a little bit of, maybe a little bit of heat and, you know, a little bit of time for it to actually stay down over here. And that's about it, you guys. That's one way to keep your oven clean, is to go ahead and start getting some liners for it. I got these from Team U, but I know everybody don't shop at Team U. So if I find some of these, I will send y'all an Amazon link. I also need to probably get another one because when I bought this, it fit my old stove because my old stove had the back part, right? But y'all know the new stove is a front digital stove. So with that being said, I still have this little gap right here. So I'm gonna see if I can find one that goes further back. So that way nothing will try to, get back here. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.